Wish that you were here. The minute seems like hours, and the hours seem like days when I'm missing you. And it's amazing how you feel every time we touch. When you're in love, and it's incredible how you think of someone every day who you miss so much. I wish that I could forget you, but that's not possible. I wish that I could leave you, but that's not optional, 'cause I'm missing you, and I can't wait to see you again, boy. And every time I close my eyes, I can feel you next to me. It feels like the first time, and I just wanna say I miss you every day. So feel like the first time. Hey. Oh, yeah. I trade the world to have you here next to me. To wait for rain to clear, I love you. I did it all for just another chance for you to hold me and sweet down.